Hello students of plus 1 commerce class. This is your accounts lecture. We have started the journal chapter last week. In 6 video lecture, we have completed 6 video lecture of this chapter. We have completed all the basic rules, regulations of journal entries in that 6 video lecture. Now in 2 video lecture more we will take to revision of accounts journal chapter. Okay, let's start the revision. So first of all we will do the question number 23. Illustration 23 we will do. I think all of you have books. Open your books and 23rd illustration. First journal entry of 23rd illustration is year is 2017. You will write year one time. No need to write the year with every journal entry. Then 2nd March. First entry is on 2nd March. Purchase an iron safe for the business rupees 1 lakh and payment made by check. आयरन सेफ एक लोहे की अलमारी जो बिजनेस में any for the documents reserve they want or any other purpose if they want, then they are purchasing the iron safe as a assets for the business. Okay, so it's a assets, not a good. Okay, so iron safe is purchasing for the business of rupees 1 lakh. You can open account for the iron safe, computer, typewriter, almirah. Then you can open one combined account named office equipments. Okay, no need to open the separate account of computer, typewriter, iron safe and almirah. No need to open separate account. We will open a combined account named as a office equipment. Okay, then we will put the this purchase of iron safe in office equipment account. So we are purchasing that, assets is coming, so that will be debit. Debit what comes in office equipment account, debit. To payment we are making by check. Check payment कर रहे हैं हम by check. Then we will write to bank account. Amount is 1 lakh. Don't forget to write the narration. Purchase iron safe. Here you can write the iron safe for business. Then put line. Fine. Now next journal entry is on 3rd March. Purchase filing cabinet for office use 40,000 and paid rupees 2,000 as curtains on it. हमने एक फाइलिंग कैबिनेट खरीदा है. फाइलिंग रखने के लिए कोई भी एक जो है हमने कैबिनेट खरीदा जिसमें हम फाइल जो है सेफ रख सके. एंड पेड रुपीज 200 एज ए कार्टेज ऑन इट. उसके कैरिज पे वी हैव पेड एक्सपेंस ऑफ रुपीज 2000. इन previous lecture I have told you that if you purchase any assets and paid carries expense on that as assets, then that carries expense will be added in the cost of that assets. Okay, so here also no need to open the separate account for the filing cabinet. That we will also put in the account office equipment. So we are purchasing the assets, then office equipment account debit. We will open same account for this debit to cash. We are paying cash. Check is not written. If nothing is about mentioned in the entry about the payment, then we will write to cash account. Okay, how much amount? 40,000 plus 200. Okay, when we purchase any assets, add the carries expense in that assets cost. Now write the narration. Purchase file cabinet. Fine. Now next journal entry is on 4th March. Purchase a computer from Radha Krishnan and Company rupees 80,000 on credit. We have purchased computer on credit. We are not making payment to the, from whom we have purchased is Radha Krishan. Computer is coming but payment is not going. Nothing is going. Okay, so it's a credit transaction. In credit transaction, in every credit transaction, that name of person will come from whom we are purchasing, or if it's a entry of sale, then to whom we are selling, that person name will come. So we are purchasing a computer. It's also office equipment account. Office equipment account debit. To cash नहीं आएगा, to bank नहीं आएगा, because we are not paying any cash, we are not giving any check, we are purchasing on credit. Then credit the giver. Who is giving us computer? Radha Krishan and company. Radha Krishan and company. How much? It's of 80,000. Then write the amount in debit and credit column. And in narration you can write that purchase computer on credit. Fine. Now next transaction is on 5th March. Purchase an electric fan for rupees 20,000. Electric fan. See, any fitting. Lights we are purchasing, fan we are purchasing, and that will be coming fitting and features. That will go in the account of we will not open the fan account, we will not open the light account, we will not open the bulb account. Okay, that will go in the जिसकी fitting होती है, that will be going the fitting and features account. Okay, so fan we are open the account fitting and features account. Account debit, fan is coming, so that's why we have debit instead of fan. Fitting and furnitures account of rupees 20,000. Name is not mentioned, cash is also not mentioned, then it means it's a cash transaction. If name is not given, then it is understood that it is a cash transaction. Then we will write to cash account because we are paying cash. Cash is going, so that's why cash is credit. How much? 20,000. एक फैन नहीं होगा. Very costly one van of 20,000. Maybe any 8 or 10 fan they have purchased. Fine. Now next is purchase a horse for business for rupees 1,50,000 and payment made by check. Sorry. On 6 March, horse is purchasing. Then any horse, if that for use of business, for that we will open the livestock account. Livestock account, not horse account. If any animal are purchasing for the business use, then that will go in the livestock account. To payment we are making by check or cash. Check. Then to bank account. Amount is 1,50,000. Write the narration. Here you can write horse. Purchase horse for business. Okay. Now next transaction is on 7th March. Purchase postcard for rupees 250, envelope 500 and stamp for 1,000. All these are purchased from the post office. हम कहीं पे हमने post करनी है, so that's why we are purchasing the postcard, envelope and stamp etc. So these will go in the account of postage expense account. Okay, for that all these payment we will open a combined account, postal expense account. Debit to payment we are making cash to cash account. Write the total amount that we we are paying 250 plus 500, 750 plus 1000, 1750 rupees we are paying. Here you can write that purchase postcard envelope that is given, envelope and stamps. Fine. Now next on 8th March, purchase office stationery. Stationery, any pen, register are come in the stationery account. So that we are open stationery account. Debit to cash. Account amount is 4,000. Write in narration. Purchase stationery for business. Fine. Now next journal entry is on 15th March. Give as charity. Charity में हमने कैश दिया of ₹2,000 and goods ₹4,000. Charities are expense. We are paying cash and some goods as a charity. Then as expense, charity will be debit. Charity account debit. What is giving as a charity? To cash. Cash is going. And for goods, if we are giving goods as a charity, then yesterday I have told you, then which account will be credit? Purchases account. For cash 2,000, for goods 4,000 and total charity is 6,000. Write in narration. Give cash and goods as charity. Fine. Now 3 journal entries are related. That on 20th March, horse bought on March 6 March को जो हमने horse खरीदा था, that died. Its cases was sold for 10,000. जो भी अगर horse की death हो गई उसके बाद जो उसके भी स्किन है, जो भी उसके पार्ट्स हैं, वो हमने सेल कर दिए on as a 10,000. We have purchased the livestock of ₹1,50,000. Now we have sold that only in 10,000. So now cash is coming and we have loss of ₹1,40,000 का हमें loss हो गया because in 6 March we have purchases and on 20th March that horse died. On 20th March, pass the journal entry, change the date. Cash is coming because we are selling that all the parts of horses. How much cash is coming? 10,000. And loss of 1,40,000 due to this. For that, we will debit the profit and loss account. Debit. Because all the losses are debit, so that loss will go into the profit and loss account. 1,40,000 to कहाँ से आ रहा है cash? That livestock is going. Credit what is going? 1,50,000. That account are closed. Firstly, we have opened livestock account with 1,50,000. Now it has closed with 1,50,000. Now no balance is livestock account. Okay. Sold the carcass of livestock. Now next journal entry on 25th March. Sold household furniture. Household furniture मतलब the furniture of owner house. Personal furniture we are selling at ₹1 lakh and paid the money into the business. and owner invest that money into the business. So which money invested by the owner into business is known as capital. Furniture जो जा रहा है, it is not going from business, it is going from owner house. So we don't have any account of that furniture. उस फर्नीचर का हमारे पास बिजनेस में कोई रिकॉर्ड नहीं है. So we will not write here any furniture account sale. Only we will write the what is coming in business and what is going from business. फर्नीचर जा रहा है, उसके घर से जा रहा है, not from the business. Business only money is coming, that is as a capital. Then we will write cash account debit to capital account. How much cash is coming? That 1 lakh. Now one journal entry is remaining, that paid to land. Yes students, next journal entry is on 31st March. Paid to landlord by check rupees 1,20,000 for rent. 1/3 of the building is occupied by the proprietor for residential use. See, the total rent is paying of rupees 1,20,000, but whole rent is not is expense of business, because it's given that 1/3 of the building is occupied by the residential purpose. Then 1/3 rent of 1,20,000 rupees 40,000 will be the expense of owner. So when firm will pay whole this amount 1,20,000, 40,000 will be charged as a drawing account. Okay, then total rent is paying 1,20,000, out of which 40,000 is related to drawing account and 80,000 is expense of business. Then rent account debit 80,000, this is expense of business, and drawing account, it is expense of owner paid by the business 40,000 to it's paying by check to bank account 1,20,000. Okay, write the narration. Paid rent of building of business and residential. Fine. Now this question is completed, 23rd. Now you have to do example number 25th, 26th and 27. So students, you have to complete 25, 26 and 27 illustration and practical question in your fair notebook. Okay, in next video lecture we will do practice of more these questions of journal entries. We will continue this chapter in this week. Okay, you should do all the questions in your fair notebook and send the pic to me. Fine. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.